My name is Oscar Alan Villarreal Rodriguez, and I am going to talk about the anecdote that I would like to tell you for the Effective Presentations workshop class. My anecdote is going to be about the best vacations I ever had. These vacations were in Mazatlan with my friends in the summer of 2018, right before the World Cup, like by the month of June. And the reason that I think that these vacations were the better that I had ever had, is because it was the first time I went out to another place without anyone being my family. They were only my friends, and we had a lot of money. We hung out with people in the hotel. The fact being in another city different than Torreon with my best friends, it was amazing because it was Mazatlan with the beach, with new people to talk to, and new places to go. Um, this vacation lasted a week of June, and the vacations were with three of my best friends. So we were four in a very nice hotel, and we did a lot of crazy and fun stuff in Mazatlan, like hanging in other places, eating another type of food. So because here in Torreon we don't at least me, I don't eat a lot of seafood. And for example, the things that we did that I consider that made these vacations like the best ones is like hanging out at the beach, because the hotel had an entrance to the beach. I will say we didn't have like trouble with money, so we kind of spend it when we want to. And it was very fun because if we were in the beach, we were in the pool. If we were on the pool, we were on the jacuzzi. And at night, sometimes we hang out in other places, or sometimes we just stay in the hotel by the night in the room or outside the hotel talking to other people, because most of these people in the hotel were like Americans, and we practiced our English a lot. And it was very fun to hang out with other people that weren't all Mexicans or all from Torreon. For example, I met a group of Canadian friends that I became better attached to, that asked a lot of me about Mexican politics and stuff like that. So it was kind of interesting to talk with the Canadians and American people. So in definition, I had a very nice vacations. I passed like a great time for a great week with my best friends, and I hope that this vacation that I just talk about you a little bit don't remain as the best vacations of my life, because I'm looking forward to go there again with more friends, my best friends, and maybe last a little more than a week. I hope so. So in conclusion, the best vacation like I ever had were with my friends, and we're awesome. We did a lot of crazy stuff, not so crazy, but like really great stuff, and I'm looking forward to go there again. Thank you.